Hey guys, Eddie San Juan here with EF San Juan, coming to you with season 2 of Real Wood. Today we are going to be spending some time out in the field at a couple of jobs that are installed and finished, so you can see some of the products we made in the shop put into place and installed in the field. Let's go check it out. So our first stop today is the Salty Butcher 30A. It is an amazing butcher shop here in Greenway Station Plaza in Seagrove Beach, Florida. Let's check it out. So one of the first things I want to highlight are these amazing in-grain hard maple butcher block countertops. It really was quite a challenge getting all the alignment correct. These huge glue ups really turned out amazing, and then you can see the beautiful color variation that happens with this natural hard maple. And that's a traditional material. It's what butcher blocks have been made out of for a long time, and I think it really pulls in that aesthetic here and gives these tables a nice natural feel.
So we are back at the shop here and want to show a little bit of the behind the scenes action for how the butcher block tops got made at Salty Butcher. We use in-grain because it's almost like a bundle of straws that you're seeing on the end of each one. So when you cut into in-grain over a long period of time, it actually doesn't damage your knife nearly as much, and you won't see the wear and tear on the cutting board that an edge grain cutting board would typically have. So those blocks were processed down then to a uniform size, and then we downsized them a little bit to account for glue, expansion and contraction, and end up with the final product that we wanted. So after those were edge glued into one big block, they're processed down in thickness so that everything's flushed up, and then they're ripped into these strips you see here and turned on in. After they were processed down, they're edge glued one final time into larger blocks than this one here. This is just a sample. And then those blocks are joined with a domino joining system into the rest of them to create the whole countertop system that you see there installed at Salty Butcher. The end result is a beautiful product, but it's a very stable and actually functional cutting surface. So this is some awesome real wood behind the scenes to see how these things came to be. Thank you. If you're enjoying these episodes, please like and subscribe to our channel. Drop a comment and let us know things that you'd like to learn about, things you'd like to see. We want these to be something that people enjoy watching, so please share with your friends, like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time on Real Wood.